How to delete a saved address in Grubhub. Hi everyone, I'm Yazoo60 today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Grubhub. Make sure you're logged in to your Grubhub account. Then, click on Account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and click on Saved Addresses in Phone. After you click on Saved Addresses in Phone, you'll find all the addresses here. Now simply hold on to the address you want to delete. You'll find delete option. Confirm your delete. After you've confirmed your deletion, make sure the address no longer shows in this list of saved addresses. And after you do that, you're good to go. You can again go to saved addresses and check if it is still here. If not, you're good to go. This is how to delete a saved address in Grubhub. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.